it's Melissa from Melissa's Creations, and today we are making this adorable clean and quick card. It is number 16 in our series. It's so fast, I can't wait to show you how I made it. Let's get started. So today we are using the Eastern Beauty stamp set. This is a fantastic set. So many possibilities and lots of beautiful shapes. There are some coordinating Thinlits dies that you can pair with this in a bundle. We're only using the stamps today, but the Thinlits dies are amazing and there's a lot of beautiful things that you can do with it. So we're starting today with a standard card base. This is just a piece of Whisper White cardstock that has been cut in half at 5.5 and scored in the middle at 4 1/4. So we're going to start with Melon Mambo and our sentiment, which is let's be friends forever. So we're just going to ink that up and stamp that right in the middle up towards the top. And then we're going to use our basic black archival Stampin' pad, and we have a few other stamps that we're using today. So I have this fun little Starburst guy, and he's the majority of this card. So I'm just going to ink up and then stamp all around my sentiment. Now you can go very heavy on your stamp, you can go very light, just depends on the look that you are going for. Now the first card that I did was completely full and I really did like that effect, but I think I'm going to try something a little different on this card, and I'm just going to stamp close to the words. So I'm just going to kind of surround the words on the top of the card here. So I'm just going to do like a couple more of these guys. And then I'm going to use this fun tiny little, it's like 3 little dots. It's super small, but it's so cute. So I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to put a few here and there. Oh, I didn't quite get that one. Let's see if I can double stamp it. There we go. Beauty of photopolymer stamps. All right, so I'm just going to put a few around going in different directions. And once I see what this looks like with just the top covered, then I will figure out if I want to continue stamping the entire card or if I'm happy with just the top. I'm pretty sure I'm going to want to stamp the whole card, but let's just see. Now I have these adorable 3 little dots in a row, so I'm just going to randomly stamp those around as well. And I think I'm going to like try and make them kind of radiate out from the card here. There. So yeah, you know, I'm pretty sure I like the first one better. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the rest of that blank space with these stamps, and then we'll see how it goes from there. And there we go, creators. There is our clean and quick card number 16 in our video series. I hope you enjoyed this very fast card. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button to be notified of future videos, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this card today. You can get all of the supplies needed on my website at melissascreations.com. Just click on the Shop Now button and shop to your heart's content. Your support continues to allow me to do what I love, which is bringing out videos for you to enjoy. You can also follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/mcreations and on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest with the handle at mcreations. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye!